Okay, so here we are with the Kiara Sky Jelly Tip set. This is the almond medium, which is what I'm going to be using. My nails are in pretty good shape, actually. I've been wearing acrylics for a long time, and during the quarantine, they really healed up. I mean, this is even after wearing press-ons and everything. So, what I'm going to do is size my nails. As you can see, it's all numbered up here. It's white, so you really can't tell, but it goes from 0, 0, 0 to 9. So it's nice that they are numbered, and you can feel it's a really good quality. Hopefully these last, and they're as durable as acrylics. And again, I don't know if anything is as durable as acrylics, but we'll check it out. So I'm going to size these up, and then we'll be right back. So I sized out my nails right here, and if you can see, I'm actually recording with my phone, so it's kind of hard until I get my tripod. But so I'm going to follow the directions. I'm going to push back the cuticle and file my nail and do all that fun stuff. Alrighty, so I'm just going to Okay, so I had prepped my nails, and basically I had given myself a manicure about 4 days ago, so my cuticles have already been pushed back and cut and everything, but I just pushed them back and just did a quick cleanup with my e-file. So now we're going to start with the prep. So now I'm just removing the shine to the inside of the jelly tip. Okay, so now that the nails are sanded, I'm gonna try to apply the builder. So it says apply a thin layer of builder and cure for 30 seconds. So this is some really thick stuff, as you can see. So we want a real thin layer. Oh boy. Cure for 30 seconds. So my first nail turned out really good. I really did not use a lot of the builder gel, and I didn't put a lot on the inside of the nail, and it cured perfectly. Really no problems at all. No bubbles or nothing. So let's see how the rest of them go. So far so good, but I made the mistake of actually putting too much on my index finger, and it actually burned right into my cuticle, and that was actually pretty painful. So I had to soak that nail off. You can still see some of the acetone on my skin, but I had to soak that nail off. So believe me, less is more. I haven't actually had any issues with bubbling at all, but my index finger, yeah, way too much gel. I'm gonna do this again, so bear with me here. So I'm just gonna put it on. Remember, less is more. Just small thin coat on the natural nail. Okay, and now we're going to apply it again, just a little bit of builder, and then the excess on the end. Turn your light on. I'm left-handed, so this is so right under there, and then navigate. And you want to roll your finger back and forth. So here is the finished product. It really is definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but it's not hard. I am just really curious to see how these last. So I'm going to buff them and polish them and probably do some nail art tomorrow, because I'm waiting for some things to come in Amazon, and I can't wait. But yeah, I mean, they're on there. They're definitely on there. No bubbling. I do think my index finger might give me some trouble. I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, definitely on there. And there we go. Now they're all buffed out. And I use the e-file just to get near the cuticles so they're all nice and smooth and ready for polish. And here's the finished product. I love it. It looks terrific. Feels great, strong.